Hello guys, welcome back again for another amazing video. This is another part of our house transformation, and now this is part 1 of our bedroom transformation. So I'm starting by fixing my light, then after that I'm going to be fixing the curtains, also putting a wallpaper on our focal wall, and after that I think you will see the rest of the things that I'm going to be doing. So guys, if this is the kind of videos that you like, transformation videos, makeovers, and DIYs, I think this is the right channel for you. You can subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. As I told you in my previous video, we are doing a whole house transformation, and I'll be uploading bits by bits of this video, but I'll be mixing other of my DIYs in this channel. So guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you always get updated whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So in today's episode, I'm just going to be giving you a small update on what I've done. Then later on, coming days or coming week, you'll see the rest of the parts of the transformation, because I'm doing bits by bit, as I said. So now I'm just going to be doing a small part, and then the rest we'll see as the videos come by. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for always coming back, watching my videos, liking them and commenting on them. And if you are new here, feel much welcome in this channel. Yeah, feel free to subscribe and liking our videos, sharing and commenting on them. Yeah, thank you. And as I upload this video, I've inserted a small clip there, as I did celebrate my birthday. So I just inserted a small video there as I celebrate my birthday. So watch the video, enjoy it, and comment down below, tell me what you think about it. As this is our balcony, and this is me celebrating my birthday. So happy birthday to me as you continue watching the video. And if you haven't watched this video about our balcony transformation, kindly go to our channel, watch the video, because it has two parts, the first part and the final reveal part. So make sure to watch the video and comment on it, like it, and subscribe, share, and do all those stuffs, and we really appreciate that. Then this is the mixture that I'm going to mix, the glue that I'm going to be using to attach the wallpaper on the focal wall, as I told you. So keep watching, because you'll get an idea, one idea or two from us. Yeah, you'll learn something from us. Guys, I'm not doing any promotion here. I'm just showing you a small idea that I had, and I'm going to be using this Oraimo a light fixture to fix in my on my wall, this focal wall where I've already put the wallpaper, and it just increases the lighting in my bedroom. And I'm going to be doing a lot of DIYs here, a lot of decorations, and make sure to stay tuned in this channel because a lot more videos are coming on your way. So now I'm done with the balcony. Now I'm halfway with my bedroom, and then the next thing I'm going to be doing is our sitting room makeover. So make sure you have subscribed to our channel, you have hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos and more. That is if this is your kind of content. We are done with part 1 of our bedroom makeover, and I'm going to be showing you how the reveal is, or the progress, and the transformation is ongoing still. We still have the shoe rack to make and the final touches, but I'm going to be showing you everything as we go by. But this is part 1 of the process, so come, let's see. I cut up.